All right, guys, so these are the Enacfire E60 true wireless earbuds. Picked these up on Amazon. They were $49.99 with Prime one-day shipping, but there's currently a 10% off coupon that you can apply at checkout when you buy these. So to get these under $50 after taxes is a steal, in my opinion, especially for all the little extra specs that you get with something like these. I'm a big fan of their F1 earbuds, so I definitely wanted to check these out to see how these stack up against those. So I'm going to do an unboxing here, and also as I'm doing that, go over some of the specs, kind of what I like, what I didn't like, all that good stuff. So this is the box that they come in. So if you ever had any Enacfire earbuds, this is kind of like the generic look of their boxes. So it has the logo there on the front, a picture of the charging case with the earbuds in them coming out, and then of course some stuff on the front there. A little bit of a rundown on the side here about the earbuds. On the left side, a little more of a breakdown about the earbuds. And then on the back, some specification type stuff. So with the earbuds themselves, this is kind of what you get when you open the box, or at least what you're presented with. So I'm gonna take these out and put that to the side and see what else comes in the box before we go down that road. So inside of the little box here, so you get two different sets of ear tips. So you have these here in the black gray color and then some white ones. So you get small, medium, and large in this one, and small, medium, large in this one. And then also with the charging cable, you're getting a Type-C charging cable, which is awesome for being under 50 bucks. So that should be the new norm now. Hopefully everyone's shifting away from micro USB, but you do get a Type-C charger. And then also get that foam out. What else is inside the box here? So your guarantee card from Enacfire, just kind of telling you a 3-month replacement or full refund in 12 months, blah, blah, blah. This one I found kind of funny. It's a QR code to get a free mask. So I guess during all the COVID-19 crap, you can get a mask. So there you go. And then of course your instruction manual in different languages, which I'll show a little bit here in just a sec. Now getting to the earbuds, here is the charging case. So the charging case is pretty decent, little pill-shaped case, fits in the palm of my hand. Very nice and small, I mean, not huge by any means. Got the branding there in the front, got your 4 LED indicators there about the juice left in your charging case, your Type-C port there, and then a little bit of stuff there at the bottom, just kind of going over some of the stuff on the earbud case. Now, the case itself, it's 500 milliamps. It is a case that can be wirelessly charged, so you can place this on a Qi wireless charger and be able to charge it. From 0 to 100% wirelessly charging it, it takes about 2.5 hours in my testing. Takes about 2 hours roughly to charge it from 0 to 100 on the Type-C charging cable. So not terrible. I didn't really notice any quick charge features, but I did charge it for about 20 minutes and I did get about an hour. So take that with what you want, but I gotta imagine there's some sort of quick charge. I just didn't really see that anywhere in any of the literature or anything I saw online. But as far as the charging case goes, you are getting 5 charges out of this case on one single solid charge with the case. So the earbuds themselves, these will last 8 hours. So pretty damn good considering they're under 50 bucks. I mean, some of the big boys aren't even getting that, so that's pretty nice. So you're getting 48 hours on a single charge of a case. So not bad. If you're like me, I listen to earbuds when I'm working out or doing yard work and stuff like that. So to be honest with you, I might listen 2 hours at a time. So I could probably get 2 weeks on a single charge of this case, which isn't bad at all. But like I said, if you're like me too, you might plug it in at night and then you wake up and you don't have to worry about it. Opening the case, I find pretty satisfying because when you do open it, the hinge on the case is pretty damn good because it holds still. So that's one thing this has up against the F1s, because on the F1s, if you're familiar with their case, it's got like a faux leather top and it's actually a really nice case, but the hinge on the other one sucks because you have to almost have that muscle memory to hold it open with your finger, because it's just a flap. It just flaps down. So once it's closed, but when you open it, you kind of have to hold that open with your finger, then put the earbuds in. With these, you do not. Very satisfying click when it closes. When you open it, good. So there we go. Now, as far as the earbuds go, they are 5.0, so Bluetooth 5.0, so you're getting a good, solid, stable connection. I watched YouTube videos, Hulu, Disney Plus, Netflix, you name it. No lag at all, so no Godzilla effect on any of those. Now, as far as the waterproofing, they are IPX8, so they are completely waterproof, so you can go swim with these if you want to, which I probably don't recommend. You can take a shower, you can run in the rain, they are gym-proof, sweat-proof, you name it. You are good to go with these bad boys, so no worries there at all. So not bad. Now, as far as the shape of the ear tip and the earbud themselves, they do fit pretty good in my ear. I have, I don't know, probably normal to larger ear canal, I guess, and they do fit pretty damn good in my ear. Now, my only issue with these is I feel like I have to push them in pretty far to get a good seal, and it's not a knock on the design of the earbud, it's a knock on this ear tip. I hate these ear tips. The mushroom shaped style ear tip, it's flat, it's flimsy. I feel like I have to really push it in and do a lot of wiggling to really get a good seal with these. Now, I do have other ear tips at home that I put on them. Night and day difference, in my opinion. I got a better sound out of them, in my opinion. So I just think these are garbage. I wish they would have came with like these and then sets of more traditional ear tips. But, you know, if anything, go get some foam tips and call it a day. I mean, but not bad. You got the magnetic connectors there. They do give you a very satisfying click whenever you do put them back in the charging case. So if you can hear that, I mean, it grabs instantly. And then, yeah, and then of course there's the LEDs there. So pretty full battery here. Definitely will not fall out, so that's good. Earbuds are waterproof, but the case is not. I did ask because I was curious, because there has been times where I've dealt with some earbuds where the case is also water resistant, but the case isn't. These are. Dual mic setup on these, so not bad at all with call quality. They do have CVC 8.0 active, or not active noise canceling, but CVC 8.0 noise cancellation for your call quality there. So it is going to help with drowning out that surrounding noise and give you a better call experience if you are going to talk to people on the phone. I don't really use earbuds a lot to talk on the phone unless I'm just out and about, but in my testing, everyone I did talk to told me I sounded just fine. But most of it's indoors, so it's kind of hard to not sound decent indoors, but when I was outside, they said they can hear me just fine too, so not going to complain about that. So as far as sound goes, so you got a 6mm driver with these. The sound signature that comes with the earbuds from Enacfire is good. There's no equalizer, so there's no app to adjust the equalizer, so no EQ settings or anything like that. But the sound signature that comes stock with them is pretty good in my opinion. You are getting some decent amount of bass. It is apt-X, so you are getting some of the best audio that you can get out of some earbuds. So to get apt-X on these and be under $50 is pretty impressive. So definitely helps with the sound and everything like that. Bass, like I said, pretty dang good, deep, clear bass, not very distorted. The only time the bass was distorted if I had them cranked up all the way. So if I had the volume turned up all the way, that's where I started noticing a little bit of some like just distortion in the bass, wasn't very clear, just didn't sound as good as they should with these types of, just with the type of earbud that you're getting with these. So it just didn't sound very good, turned up all the way. And if you're like me, I like to listen to my music loud, so I don't know. So comment down below and tell me if y'all kind of experienced that too. But yeah, apt-X, so you're getting good sound. Treble's pretty decent. The mids were pretty decent. I listened to a lot of rap, typically, or electronica, stuff like that, stuff with bass and just different stuff like that. And at the gym when I used them, they sounded pretty good. And thinking about the gym, I forgot to talk about the distance. So I got about 35 feet before I started like cutting out a little bit. And I measure that usually when I'm at the gym because it's about 35 feet to 40 feet whenever I am walking from the treadmill to the sanitize station where you get your paper towel and you spray the sanitizer on it and you go back and clean the treadmill or your workout equipment. Now, usually my phone at the treadmill, and that's when I start to notice, depending on where I'm at, the breakup a little bit. Now, I do give them a little bit of a pass because at the gym there's a lot of interference and stuff like that, but it did hold up pretty true to about 35 feet, and then it started breaking out just a little bit, but not bad. So for under 50 bucks, I mean, you cannot go wrong with these for all the features that you're getting with these. Highly would recommend them, definitely. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know if you bought them. Tell me how you think of them. What are your pros and cons? And, if there's anything I missed, please don't hesitate to let me know as well. But yeah, I would definitely recommend these E60s to get them under 50 bucks for sure. So comment down below, subscribe, check out my other videos. And yeah, I hope y'all have a great day and be safe out there.